syempre, bago tayo dumako sa ating main topic for today, mga kaibigan, eto na, no, yung kanina nga pinagtatalunan po nila. Dapat nga kasi talaga, totoo naman, dapat 2 oras na ipanood o ipalabas ang video. Hindi po pwedeng yung 2 minutes lang na sinasabi nung taga-kabila. Kasi nga, parang sinasabi nila inedit pero hindi naman daw inedit. Tapos ang lagay pa ata mga kapatid, parang base sa kanilang pagkakaunawa doon sa video, yun yung edited or yung presentation po na ginawa nila. 2 minutes lang, no? Malay ba natin kung ikat nyo ng ikat yun, di ba? Excuse me po mga kapatid, nangangamote na agad yung mga taga-kabila. Ito, basahin muna natin ha. Buong 2 oras na video ang ipalabas, hindi piling bahagi lang. Ito ang ginit ng kampo ni Vice President Sara Duterte matapos tutulan ang plano ng House Prosecution na bahagi lamang ng isang video ang inipresenta bilang ebidensya sa impeachment trial. Ayon sa depensa, upang maipakita ang buong konteksto ng naturang pahayag, dapat umanong isa lang bilang ebidensya ang kabuuang 2 oras na video at hindi lamang ang napiling bahagi nito. Samantalang sinabi naman ng House Prosecution na ang kanilang ipapakita ay ang anilay hindi na edited na 2 minutes na bahagi ng video kung saan umano'y excuse me po, sinabi ni VP Sara na kukuha siya ng hitman upang ipadeds sina Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos, First Lady Marcos at dating speaker. Iginiit naman ng depensa na hindi magiging kumpleto ang konteksto ng naturang pahayag kung hindi ipapakita ang buong video. Napanood nga natin mga kaibigan hindi niya binanggit yung word na sinabi ni VP Sara kung, di ba? Excuse me po. Di ba? Sabi ng ganun ni VP Sara, kung ako ay matitegi, iniba ko lang yung term, kung ako ay madided, kumuha na ako ng ganito para ipatumba si ganire, si ganito. So, ibig sabihin, kung siya ay madideds, hindi naman siya deads pa Diba? Doon sila nabaliw. Diba? Ba't hindi nila sinabi yung direkta? Ang sinabi lang nila, nagbanta lang si BP Sara. Pero hindi nila sinabi yung kompletong sinabi ni BP Sara. Ganun nila inuugok ang mga kababayan natin. Sabi ni BP Sara, malay mo naman yung ipi-play ho nila sa 2 minutes na yun baka may cut na yan o kaya yung kanilang sariling presentasyon na doon po sa cut version nila. Di ba? Mahirap na. Pero ang pinakamatindi, hindi niya mismo sinabi yung kung na word. Kung ako ay matitegi, hindi ba ko lang yung term, ipapadeds ko si Lisa, si ganito, si ganyan, di ba? Oh. Ngayon, sabihin na natin, balik natin, hindi pa nadided si BP Sara. Ibig sabihin, wala pang threat. Wala. Di ba? Ka-80-80han mo na lang yan, kabubuhan mo na lang yan kung BPM ka pa rin, no? Paano kung di umabot ng 2 oras yung video? Sinong lagot? Kasi sabi 2 oras. Mas maganda yan, ipanood ng buo at maghanda ng popcorn at tubig para tayong nanonood ng movie niyan sa sinihan. Tama naman Bakit? Ayaw ba nilang manood ng movie marathon? Sa totoo lang, hindi mo kasi pwedeng sabihin na, hindi, masyado kasing mahaba. Hindi, kaya nga hearing. Sa mga hearing talaga, mga kapatid, mahaba talaga ang oras dyan. Bibigyan ng pansin yan. Bakit ayaw nilang i-play yung buong 2 hours na sinasabi nila? Diba? Okay mga kapatid, panoorin na po natin itong video na ito. Hatid po sa inyo ng PH Update mga kapatid. Pasubscribe na rin po sa ating channel kasi medyo nasira po ang ating algorithm. Kung trip nyo ng ganito, simulan na po natin yan. Okay, sa mga gusto pong tumulong sa akin dyan kasi nga nasira ho ang ating algorithm. Nandito po ang ating GCash. Ako po nanunuyo ho sa inyo dahil nung nakaraan ho talagang hindi ho tayo nakasweldo. Kahit konting bahagi lang, kahit piso, wala hong problema. Maraming salamat po sa inyo at ipi-play na po natin ito. Anong meron? Eto na. Here we go.
Witness, what is your occupation, if any? Currently, nasa National Bureau of Investigation po ako. I'm an
Sabi mo aso ako ni Matibag. Yun ang dapat sagot, Brad.
agent since 2021 and was recently assigned at Cyber Investigation and Assessment Center in April 2026.
Okay, you said that you have been an agent of the NBI since 2021, pero you were recently assigned to the Cybercrime Investigation and Assessment Center of the NBI. Now, ano ba yung position mo before you were assigned to the Cybercrime Investigation and Assessment Center, kung meron man?
In 2022, I was assigned at Digital Forensic Laboratory Division and in 2024 in Cybercrime Division, sir.
Okay, now, you said that you were assigned to the Digital Forensics Laboratory Division in 2022. Now, yung tanong, ano ba yung mga naging primary duties and functions mo bilang ahente ng division na yan?
In digital forensic, my primary duties is to identify, preserve, collect, analyze, and present digital evidence in court, sir.
Now, preliminary question, have you undergone any training as an agent of that Digital Forensics Laboratory Division?
Yes, sir.
Now, kung alam mo, ano ba yung naging trainings in that division?
I have undergone computer hacking forensic investigation training, mobile forensics, computer forensics, and photo and video authentication training, sir.
Okay, so the last part of your answer, Mr. Witness, you mentioned that you were trained, na sinasabi mo, into photo and video authentication. Now, specifically now, ano ba yung naging trainings in that regard? Photo and video authentication, kung meron man.
I was trained for 2 weeks intensive training in July 2022 by MaxCore.
Ayun, mga kapatid, ito yung sinasabi na iba yung Xerox copy, iba rin yung original. Ang pagkakaintindi ko, yung original po, USB. Tapos yung nandun sa papel, CD. Diba ang lala nila, no? Tuloy tayo.
Intervention, sir, in digital forensic.
Now, sabi mo, ano nga ba yun? 2 weeks of intensive training. Yung tanong, Mr. Witness, specifically, what happened in that you said 2 week of intensive training?
Hindi, yung video nandun na yon, hindi na kailangang i-forensic. Sabi ni BP Sara, pag may nangyari sa akin, nag-utos
Oo.
na ako, ilatag nyo dyan yung inutusan niya.
Oo.
Para saan yung NBI na yan? Hindi ko maintindihan. Maminus ako kayo, maminosan. May mamaminus ba ako? Wala akong mamaminus kasi zero pa kayo. Kasi nandun yung video. Hindi maihina ang utak ng ating mga kababayan para
Yun.
hindi maintindihan. Dahil yung
Salamin
sinabi niya doon, conditional. Kahit sinong abogadong kausapin natin, walang kaso yun. Conditional yun eh.
Oo nga, kasi napanood ko na rin po yung iba, ang sinasabi nga nila, kung, no, ibig sabihin hindi pa talaga na-activate yung banta. Wala pang bantang pangyayari. Yun nga, ewan ko lang kung tama yung word na ginamit, yung conditional. Wala pa nga eh. So, ibig sabihin, wala pang mangyayari. Wala pang banta. Diba? Napaka off naman nila kapag hindi pa rin nila yun na,
Di ba? Pag may nangyari, wala naman nangyari. Pambihira naman oo.
Yun.
I was trained to perform digital forensics examination, sir.
Now, Mr. Witness, you tell the public, what is the objective, if any? What is the objective, if any, if you know, of that digital forensic examination that you said you were trained to do?
To present
Doon tayo sa malala na. May malala na dyan eh. Ito. Ito na. Ito na. Buti na natutukan ko kagad. Yung sa CD, ito yun.
CL PPS 182.
Kasi nga, biruin mo yung original USB, tapos yung Xerox copy CD. Ang galing. Ba't yun yung i-present yung original, di ba?
However, in the photocopy, there is no such photocopy. The marked photocopy, there's no such thing.
So the order is no longer the same moving
The,
forward.
so the order is no longer the same moving forward, Your Honor.
Yeah, that's it.
Even in that very same one, which I assume is 4-9K does not have any date marking, Your Honor.
It's not the
So
same
it-
document, the conclusion.
It is not the same document. It's not faithful reproduction of anything, Your Honor.
The photocopy is not a faithful reproduction of the certified true copy. That's what you're stating.
Yes, Your Honor.
What does the counsel for the prosecution say?
Your Honor, counter manifestation that the documents that the defense are perusing have been identified by the very person who authenticated and who executed that exhibit. So, Your Honor, please, we move that the comments of the defense be noted, Your Honor, please.
Your Honor, that's irrelevant. What we're saying is that this is not the copy mark. It is not the same as the original,
Ayan,
which he says it's the same thing which is identified. What he's
Akoy!
saying is off tangent.
Ah.
What he identified earlier, which is the marked copy, which is the copy marked during pretrial, is not the same document as they are passing on as an original. Your Honor, this is the
Counsel
issue
for
here.
respondent, that is a proper subject matter too for your cross to point, if at all, the distinction and difference between the two copies, which counsel for the prosecution can use as a subject matter for his redirect.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Because you can confront the witness with respect to the certified true copy that is different from what he identified earlier, impugning,
Your
if at all, his credibility as a witness in this case.
Thank you so much, Your
So
Honor,
we
please.
note the comments and observations of the counsel for the respondent. I got lost. So it's being reviewed and has not yet been given to the witness, right?
Your Honor, may I just register our continuing objection?
So noted and so registered.
Thank you so much. Can we proceed?
Okay, punta po tayo dito pa sa kabila. Yan, dito tingnan na natin. Ito. Hindi pa yun, nag-2 na pala rito. Nag-2. Okay. Here we
And
go.
only snippets, portions of that 2-hour video. And this witness, I suppose, will be able to identify which specific portions that he would like the court to
So
view
when
at this
it is
point.
shown, the witness will testify and attest to the portion of the entire video that it was found insofar as the timestamp is concerned.
Yes, Your Honor, please.
But as evidence at the proper time, you will be offering this entire
Yes.
2-hour or so video.
Yes, Your Honor, please.
Kaso ang papanuorin lang ng mga
Ayan na,
senator judges, yung portion lang na yun, talaga magkakaproblema tayo.
Oo.
Di ba?
And simply highlight
Ito na yung stage ng ng 2 minutes na gusto nila ipi-play yung 2 minutes lang, hindi yung buong video.
highlighting
Yes.
the 2 or so minutes. Would that
That
be
is,
correct?
that is a very keen observation. Agree 100%, Your Honor, please.
Your Honor, the prosecution cannot be allowed to do this because the entire video will show the context upon which the utterances were made.
That is a matter for the counsel for respondent to do and present during their time, because I believe the counsel for respondent also identified and marked, if I'm not mistaken, the same video for over 2.5 hours. It can do so during its time to present its evidence in chief.
Thank you, sir.
The objection is overruled. Counsel is instructed to go to the booth accompanied by a counsel from the respondent in order to make sure that indeed the USB identified by the witness is the same USB that will be played in the tech booth of the Senate.
Okay. While they're doing that, may I propound the next question, Your Honor, please?
Yes, counsel,
No.
you may proceed.
Mr. Witness, John Mark, listen. Now, you mentioned kanina that you authenticated the subject video by recording the same through sinasabi mong open broadcaster software OBS, and then you compared the contents of the recording and the subject video. That's one. And you also said that you investigated certain statements made by the vice presidents on November 23, 2024. Yung tanong, no? What particular statements of the vice president did the NBI deem proper to investigate?
The statement of the vice president where she uttered that she already talked to someone to kill the president, the first lady, and the former speaker of the house if something's happened to her.
Okay, now, the next question now, Mr. Witness, is in what particular portion of the subject video, did the respondent utter that she already contracted a person to kill?
Objection, Your Honor.
Oh, wait.
Allow the counsel to finish his
I'm not yet
question.
done. Relax. To kill the president.
Meron ba problema kung... Hindi, tanungin natin mga kababayan natin. Meron ba problema kung mamatay si Marcos Jr. ngayon? Hindi naman siya gusto natin siya may mangyaring masama sa kanya. Tanungin natin mga kasama natin dito sa PHP. Meron ba problema? Meron bang karamihan ba ng sambayan ng Pilipino manghihinayang sa kanya? Hindi naman sa gusto natin may mangyari sa kanya. Worst case scenario, may mangyari sa kanya. Knock on wood. Magbebenepisyo o malulungkot ang sambayan ng Pilipino? Yung siya ba? Itong na to parang gusto yung maging immortal si Marcos Jr.
First Lady and the former Speaker of the House.
Objection, Your Honor.
What?
What is the objection of counsel for respondent?
Your Honor, no basis for the question, Your Honor.
Wow.
Overruled. Witness may answer.
May I refer, sir, to my notes to identify the specific timestamp, sir?
Okay.
The
So
witness may do so if it is available to him. Your notes.